Video we will discuss November 2021 shift 1 question paper political science. Question number 1, which one of the following statement is true? Option A is correct, no right can be given to a man against the social interest. Now question number 2, in which aspect does modern liberalism do not believe? Option D is correct, minimal state. Question number 3, we are witnessing the end of history as such that is the endpoint of mankind's ideological evolution and the universalization of Western liberal democracy as the final form of human government. Whose thesis is this? Option A is correct, Francis Fukuyama. Question number 4, how was early liberalism characterized by C.B. Macpherson? Option A is correct, possessive liberalism. Question number 5, which one of the following theories is not related to Marx? Option D is correct, origin of family, property and state. Question number 6, who among the following stated that the life is a perpetual and restless desire for power after power that ceases only in death? Option C is correct, Hobbes. Question number 7, who among the following wrote The Art of War? Option A is correct, Machiavelli. Question number 8, revolutionary violence is not just catastrophic, but it is also the colonial subject to recreate themselves. Whose statement is this? Option B is correct, Frantz Fanon. Question number 9, which one of the following is not a part of the political philosophy of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay? Option A is correct, consideration of a man as atoms. Question number 10, we will get nothing by appealing to or shouting hoarse in the ears of the British bureaucracy in India. Who said this? Option D is correct, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 11, which one of the following statement regarding the citizenship is not correct? Option C is correct, that a citizen of India can simultaneously be the citizen of another country. Question number 12, Periyar E.V. Ramaswamy argued in favor of. Option B is correct, human dignity. Now question number 13, who considered bureaucracy as the state's consciousness? Option A is correct, Marx. Now question number 14, which one of the following is not a function of the political parties? Option D is correct, to control the judiciary. Question number 15, which one of the following is not a characteristic of constitutionalism? Option C is correct, party based concept. Question number 16, who among the following distinguished between the interest articulation function and other economic group functions? Option B is correct, Armand and Coleman. Question number 17, India is not a member of which multilateral export control regime? Option B is correct, NSG, nuclear supply group. Question number 18, which one of the following is not the core issue related to the neo-realist theory of international relation? Option C is correct, states are always engaged in the process of monopoly capitalism. Now question number 19, which one of the following is not a feature of sustainable development? Option A is correct, unrestrained development. Question number 20, who among the following dependency theorists added the concept of semi-periphery? Option D is correct, Emil Wallerstein. Now question number 21, leaders of which organizations were invited during the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's swearing in ceremony in 2014? Option B is correct, the SARC members. Now question number 22, which one of the following is not provided to the Indian diaspora under the Overseas Citizenship of India OCI scheme? Option B is correct, political rights as citizens. Now question number 23, which agreement of defense cooperation was signed by India with USA in 2020? Option A is correct, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement BECA. Question number 24, name the boundary line between India and China. Option C is correct, McMahon line. Question number 25, how long can the Vice President of India act as President when the office of President falls vacant? Option A is correct, for 6 months. Now question number 26, the superintendent's direction and control of election to be vested in the Election Commission, Article 324 of the Constitution of India came into force on. Option C is correct, 26 November 1949. Now question number 27, by which Constitutional Amendment Act the word socialist, secular and integrity were incorporated in our constitution? Option B is correct, 42nd Amendment of 1976. Question number 28, which one of the following function is not concern of the local government? Option D is correct, maintenance of public order. Question number 29, which one of the following statement does not characterize a social action group? Option C is correct, they are non-autonomous groups dependent upon the support of the government. Question number 30, who among the following referred to the Constituent Assembly of India as microcosm in action? Option B is correct, that is Grenville Austin. Question number 31. Which one of the following does not characterize electoral politics in India today? Option C is correct, stabilization of the Congress dominance system. Question number 32. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan was launched on. Option A is correct, 12 May 2020. Question number 33. Who coined the famous acronym PostCorp? Option C is correct, Gulick and Urvik. Question number 34. Who wrote Reinventing Government 1992? Option C is correct, Obsorn and Gabler. Question number 35. Who is the father of comparative public administration? Option B is correct, Fredericks. Question number 36. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about human relation theory? Option C is correct. Informal elements do not play an important role in the overall organization output. Question number 37. In 1989, the World Bank conceptualized governance in the context of which one of the following nations? Option C is correct, Sub-Saharan Africa. Question number 38. Who said that public administration is the accomplishment of politically determined objectives? Option A is correct, Woodrow Wilson. Question number 39. Budget is a document containing a preliminary approval plan of public revenue and expenditure. Whose definition is this? Option C is correct, Reno Strom. Question number 40. Who has been the most prominent among the Chicago school economists? Option B is correct, Milton Friedman. Question number 41. Who among the following are not supporter of the positive liberty? Option B is correct, that is B and D. B is John Locke and D is Jeremy Bentham. Now question number 42. What are the central beliefs of conservatism? Option B is correct, that is A and B only. A is traditions, B is hierarchy and authority are the central belief of conservatism. Now question number 43. Which one of the following aspect has been defended by J.S. Mill? Option A is correct, that is A and C, the rights of the women and the Married Women's Property Bill. Question number 44. Which one of the following statement about Hegel are true? Choose the correct option. Option D is correct here, that is A and B only. A states that the state is the march of the god on the earth, and B, that is Hegel regarded women as inferior with less reasoning ability. Now question number 45. Which one of the following are true about Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Option C is correct, that is A, B and D. A said he was influenced by the Upanishad. B, he was a rationalist and supporter of monotheism. D, he was critical of the principle of Trinitarianism advocated by the Christianity. Now question number 46. Which one of the following statement about Bal Gangadhar Tilak are true? Option A is correct, that is A, B, C and D all are the true. That is he envisioned the formation of linguistic states. He was both a restless nationalist and a realist. He preferred political freedom over social freedom, and for Tilak, political liberation and rights can be achieved through direct action and pressure. Question number 47. Sir Aurobindo conceives nationalism as. Option B is correct, that is A, B and C only. A is spiritual nationalism, different from the Western concept of nationalism. B, a nation as an organism. And C, nationalism as a religious aspiration and moral attitudes. Now question number 48. Which one of the following are the prerequisites of the comparative method? Option B is correct, that is A, B and C. A, the conceptual framework as a factor in unit selection. B, comparable conceptual issues as a focus of inquiry. And C, definition of the focus of inquiry. Now question number 49. Which one of the following are related to Carl W. Deutsch approach of communication in comparative politics? Option D is correct, that is A and B. A is the political system is like a machine working on the basis of information. B, in his theory, homeostasis instead of equilibrium is used for dynamism. Now question number 50. Which among the following are reasons for the emergence of neo-colonialism? Option A is correct, that is A and B only. A, weakened position of European powers and the rise of consciousness against imperialism. Now question number 51. Which one of the following features are given in the UN Charter for Preservation of Peace? Option B is correct, A and C only, that is peacemaking procedure is given in chapter 6 for the peaceful settlement of disputes, and C, peace enforcement is given in chapter 7 for coercive settlements of disputes. Question number 52. Which one of the following are true about the world system theory? Option A is correct, A and B, that is it is influenced by the Marxian idea of accumulation of wealth. And B, on the basis of wealth accumulation, the world is divided between the core, periphery, and semi-periphery countries, given by Emil Wallerstein. Question number 53. Which one of the following are true about the regime theory in international politics? Option D is correct. That is A and B. A and D. Sorry. A is it is an attempt for the existence of rule-governed behavior in the anarchic international system. And D, they have been defined by principle, norms, rule, and decision-making procedures. Question number 54. Which one of the following statements are true about India's foreign policy? Option C is correct. A and C. A, India has signed the land boundary agreement with Bangladesh in 2015. And C, India has signed a strategic partnership agreement with Afghanistan in 2011. Question number 55. Which one of the following statements are incorrect with regard to the Finance Commission? Option B is correct. That is B and C. B is Finance Commission shall consist of chairman and 2 members. C, Finance Commission submits its recommendation to the Parliament. Question number 56. In India's foreign policy, Indira Doctrine is related to. Option C is correct. C and D, that is, it equates India's security with that of South Asia. And D, any interference in the South Asian region will be considered a threat to India's security. Question number 57. Which one of the following are the exclusive power of the Lok Sabha? Option A is correct. That is A and B, that is introduction of the money bill and the ratification of the declaration of emergency. Now question number 58. The Supreme Court of India in its order dated 24 August 2017 in Justice case Pultaswamy retired versus the Union of India declared that. Option A is correct. Only A, that is, the right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic part of the right to life and personal liberty under Article 21 and as a part of the freedoms. Question number 59. Which one of the following are the issues of debate in electoral politics? Option C is correct. A, B and D, that is electronic voting machine, one nation, one election, and introduction of the 2 children norms for the eligibility to contest the local election. Question number 60. Labor movement in India suffers from. Option C is correct. A, B and C only, that is low membership, weak finances, and multiplicity of the union. Question number 61. McGregor, in his celebrated text The Human Side of Enterprise, has given his famous theoretical assumption. Which one of the following are the correct assumptions? Option D is correct. A, B and C only. A, the average human being with relative little ambition prefers to be directed and wishes to avoid responsibility, security in the main concern. B, the average human being learn under proper condition not only to accept but to seek responsibility. And C, the average human being has an innate antipathy to work which he will avoid if he can. Now question number 62. Performance budget reflects how well a government entity is meeting its goal and objectives. Which of the following are the central point of the performance budgeting? Option C is correct. A, B, C, D, all are the. A, it requires the establishment of performance level and the collection of information. B, the amount of work that has to be done is measured. The quality or the result of that work is measured, and this impacts how much money a department will receive in future. Question number 63. Which one of the following are advanced ideas of MP Follett? Option D is correct. That is B and D. B is constructive conflict and D is integration. Now question number 64. Which one of the following are the school of New Right ideology? Option A is correct. A and B, that is Austrian school and the Chicago school. Now question number 65. Which one of the following are wages development and infrastructure development programs? Option C is correct. That is A, B and C. A is the crash course scheme of rural development. B, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, and the Rural and Landless Employment Guarantee Act. Now question number 65. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. A, Catherine McCoquenan is by toward a feminist theory of state. Susan Moller Okin gave the justice, gender and family. S. Firestone gave the dialect of sex, and Bell Hook give the feminism is for everybody. Now question number 67. Match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct. Bureaucratic terror given by Hannah Arendt. Cultural revolution given by Mao Zedong. Apartheid policy given by Frantz Fanon. And allegory of caves is given by Plato. Now question number 68. Match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. That is Fatwa-e-Jahangirdarii is given by Ziauddin Barni. Thoughts on linguistic states given by B.R. Ambedkar. India Independent given by Charles Wetterham. And the future of Indian policies is given by M.N. Roy. Now question number 69 is match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. That is, Lord Bryce give new modern democracy. Graham Walls give the human nature in politics. Gabriel Armand give comparative politics, a developmental approach. And Charles E. Merriam give the new aspect of politics. Question number 70, match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct. SALT 1 is in year 1972, SALT 2 in the year 1979, START 1 is in year 1990, and INF treaty is in 1987. Now question number 71, match list 1 with list 2. Option D is correct. That is, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement is in 2020. Indo-US Civil Nuclear Deal is signed in 2005. High Technology Corporation Group is in 2002, and the Next Step in Strategic Partnership is in 2004. Now question number 72, match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. That is, Cabinet government is collective responsibility, presidential government is separation of power, federal government is division of power, and unitary government is concentration of power. Question number 73 is match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct. Rabindra Rai gives the Naxalite and their ideology. Ashish Kumar Roy gave the Spring Thunder and After. Carol Spray gave the Gender Development and the State in India. And Sanjay Kumar gave Indian Youth and Educational Politics. Now question number 74, match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct. A. Decision making given by Herbert Simon. Ecological approach given by Fredericks. New public administration given by Minvo-Brook Conference in 1968, and the development administration is given by Edward Winder. Now question number 75, match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct. That is, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act is in 1999. Reserve Bank of India Act is in 1934. Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act is in 2003, and the Prevention of Corruption Amendment Act is in 1988. Now question number 76, arrange the ideological focus of the feminist movement under different stages in chronological order. Option A is correct. First is the ABCD is the correct sequence here. That is, focus on right to vote for women, then focus on social and economic equality, then focus on culture and context, and the last is focus on ecofeminism. Now question number 77, arrange the work of Hannah Arendt in the ascending order. Option C is correct. A, B, C, D is the correct sequence in this. First is the origin of totalitarianism, then the human condition, then on revolution, and the last is on violence. Now question number 78, arrange the following books written by B.R. Ambedkar in the correct chronological sequence. Option B is correct here. First is the Problem of Rupee, its origin and solution, then the rise and fall of Hindu women, then the Buddha and his Dhamma, and the last is Gandhi and Gandhism. Now question number 79, arrange the following books in the chronological order of their publication. Option C is correct here. First is the Process of Government by A.F. Bentley, then Modern Political Analysis by Robert A. Dell, then Contemporary Political Analysis by James C. Chatsworth, and the last is A System of Analysis of Political Life by David Easton. Question number 80, arrange the following international treaties in the chronological order. Option C is correct. First is the Treaty of Westphalia, then Treaty of Utrecht, then Treaty of Versailles, and the last is the Charter of the United Nations. Now question number 81, arrange the signing of the following agreements by India in order of their appearance. Option A is correct. First is the Moscow Test Ban Treaty, then is the Tashkent Agreement, then India-Russia Friendship Treaty, and the last is Land Boundary Agreement. Now question number 82, arrange the following in the chronological order of their happening. Option B is correct here. First is the Simon Commission, then is the First Roundtable Conference, then Gandhi-Irwin Pact, and the last is the Communal Award. Now question number 83, arrange the following labor union according to the year of their formation in descending order. Now option A is correct. First is the Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, Then is the INTUC. The last is the Ahmedabad Textile Labor Organization, and end is the Bombay Mill Hand Association. Question number 84. Francis Linkert has identified four system of management on the basis of nature of authority and control of organization, arranged in the ascending order of their efficiency. Option B is correct. First is the exploitative authoritative, then is the benevolent authority, then is the consultative leadership, and the last is participative. Now question number 85. Arrange the following books according to the year of their publication. Option A is correct here. First is the A. Dror Yezgel, Public Policy Making Re-Examined. Then Thomas R. Dye's Understanding Public Policy. Then Mohit Bhattacharya's New Horizons of Public Administration. And the last is James E. Anderson's Public Policy Making. Question number 86 is assertion reason. Assertion. B.R. Ambedkar was critical of the existence of existing federal structure. Reason. The local self-government neither have legislative power nor executive power in the real sense of the term, according to Ambedkar. Option A is correct. Both the statement are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 87. Assertion reason. Assertion. John Locke was portrayed as possessive individualist. Reason. John Locke was not in favor of merely maximizing interest. Option B is correct. Both the statement are true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 88 is given below are two statements. Statement 1. Issue of peace and security are decided by the 2/3 majority, including 5 permanent members by the United Nations Security Council. Statement 2. United Nations Security Council represent all regions of the world in adequate manner. Option C is correct. Statement A is true, but statement 2 is false. Now question number 89. Assertion reason. Assertion. India support global nuclear disarmament but wishes to retain the option of credible minimum deterrence. Reason. Indian nuclear policy is rooted to meet both its global and regional concerns. Option A is correct. Both A and R is true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 19 is assertion reason. Assertion. India is illustrative of holding together federation due to circumstances in which center agreed to devolve power for holding the federal unit together. Reason. This asymmetry of power division along with the era of coalition and weaker governments at center led the assertion for demand of autonomies by the state. Option B is correct. Both the statement are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now from question number 91 to 100 is the passage. We will just solve the passage. Question number 91. According to Karl Marx, women emancipation can be judged from which one of the following? Option D is correct. General emancipation. Question number 92. Prior to Marx, which political thinker had a gender bias in his or her writings? Option A is correct. Hegel. Question number 93. Write the full name of Engels' book Origin. Option C is correct. The Origin of Family, Private Property and the State. Question number 94. Social position of women vis-a-vis family can be judged by which nature of the family? Option B is correct. Historical settings. Now question number 95. What has been the general understanding about women emancipation under the Marxian philosophy? Option B is correct. Marx did not analyze women's condition beyond socialism. Now question number 96. Why debate on Indian diaspora got prominence for India's foreign policy makers? Option D is correct. Compulsion of the globalization process in India. Question number 97. What has been the task of the Global Organization of People of Indian Origin, GOPIO? Option B is correct. Representing articulated interest of various people of Indian origin. Question number 98. What is the main task of the Indian caucus? Option A is correct. To influence US policy making toward India. Question number 99. Which organization gave the idea of issuing PIO cards by the government of India? Option A is correct. GOPIO. Now question number 100, last question. Why PIOs got significant attention during the end of the 1990s? Option C is correct. Pokhran II and the American sanctions.